Hey, garden lovers!
Ready to make your garden bloom with beauty and color?
In today's video, we're diving into 7 fast-growing perennials you should plant in June. These plants will transform your garden in no time. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First up, we have the amazing Speedwell, also known as Veronica. This hardy plant is a superstar in any garden. It blooms quickly and offers lovely spikes of blue, pink, or white flowers. Plant it in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight, and you'll see it thrive in no time. Next, let's talk about black-eyed Susans. These cheerful yellow flowers with their dark centers are a sight to behold. They're not only fast-growing, but also drought-tolerant. Perfect for adding a pop of color to your garden beds or borders. Daylilies are another fantastic choice for June planting. They come in a variety of colors and are incredibly maintenance. Just plant them in a sunny spot and they'll reward you with continuous blooms throughout the summer. Coneflowers or Echinacea are a must-have for any garden. These perennials are not only beautiful, but also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plant them in a sunny location and they'll quickly become a garden favorite. Russian sage is next on our list. This plant is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your garden. It has silvery foliage and tall spikes of lavender-blue flowers. Plus, it's heat and drought tolerant, making it an excellent choice for those hot summer days. Balm, also known as Monarda, is a fantastic perennial to plant in June. Its vibrant red, pink, or purple flowers are not only eye-catching, but also attract hummingbirds and bees. Plant it in a sunny spot with moist soil and enjoy its fragrant blooms. Last but not least, we have Salvia. This versatile perennial comes in many varieties and colors, from deep purples to bright reds. Salvia is easy to grow and will add a stunning display of color to your garden. Plant it in full sun and well-drained soil for the best results. And you have it, folks. 7 fast-growing perennials to plant in June. These plants will not only beautify your garden, but also bring joy and color throughout the season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting! See you in the next video, and happy gardening!